How's it, guys, and welcome back to this week's film. I'm Michael.
And I'm Acacia, and this is our van Yeti.
So this week we're going to be starting off our van build.
Yesterday we took everything out the van so we can start with a clean slate as we build for the next few weeks.
But before we get started on this, we need materials, so we're going to be heading to the builder just up the road.
Subscribe below to watch as we build the van.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of our van build. We did the insulation and wiring yesterday, and now we're going to start with the furring strips.
While I patch up the rust,
I'm going to be using this filler foam to fill up all these cracks over here. But you have to use this thing upside down. Now for the tricky part, we need to try to remove these ribs. There's one this side and there's one that side. I've done a lot of research on it but can't really find anything. So I've got this tool. I'm going to try to cut these off. Then we've got this tool, which is a heat gun, to melt this glue here and then try to pull it off. Potential roof.
day 4 of our van build. Today we're going to seal up the hole with our electrical port and possibly start framing the van. We just received our water tanks from Pioneer Plastics, so we got 20 liters of grey water and then 75 liters of fresh water.
Day 5, and today we're going to be installing our windows. We made a template yesterday. I'm just going to go around there. We have to cut a hole in and install this guy. Good morning everyone, today is day 6 of our van build. As you can see, we have officially installed 2 bunk windows. Our beds are going to be right up against the window, so it will be perfect for us to lie there and just stare out the window.
Now we're going to just carry on with framing the van some more and hopefully putting on some sidewalls at the bottom.
Here is our wooden wall that we're trying to fix flush against here. And then we're going to put a cross beam and build like a shelf, bookshelf here for under our bed. The bed's mattress is going to end here, so it'll be there.
Good morning, today is day 7 of the van build and we're going to just try close up these windows to make it nice and neat.
What's it going to look like? We're going to paint it grey, and now we have to do all of that for there again.
It is day 8 of our van build. Yesterday we did a lot of prep work. We finished up the walls, so we're going to be installing this today.
And we're also going to be cutting a hole in the roof. This is the 4th hole in the van now. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this week, definitely subscribe for next week's, because this is what we're going to be doing next week.